1 sa 40 bilyong pisong kikitain kada taon mula sa sin tax. Sa kanyang pagharap sa mga miyembro ng media sa Lao People's Democratic Republic, sinabi ng Pangulo na maituturing ng isang happy compromise ang nasabing halaga na maaaring kitain mula sa buwis sa alak at sigarilyo. Ngunit sinabi ng Pangulo na mas masaya sana kung papalo ito sa 60 bilyong piso na magagamit sa programang pangkalusugan ng pamahalaan.
Kung sana kung 60, magagamit ng health yun. Pero 40, I think, is also is a good number. No? And we have to recognize that, that's why there is a debate, di ba? May opposing camps. Then you have to achieve a happy compromise. And I think we're happy. At 60, we'll be happy. But 40 is already, I think, sufficient to meet the objectives. No? Both in terms of gaining more resources, managing the deficit, and most importantly, addressing the health issues. Most of the funds kasi that will be generated are earmarked for supporting our health program.